These are the kosher fish. The Torah tells us in Parashat Shmini and Parashat Re'eh, if it has fins and scales, it's kosher. 2 signs of purity. But the Gemara says in Chulin Daf Samech Vav, again you need a Nun Aleph, that every fish that has a kaskeses, has scales, by definition, also has snapir, has fins. So what does that mean? Some fish will have fins but they don't have scales, but any fish you will find that has scales, it has a kaskeses, by definition is kosher. Because it does have a snapir, it has the fins. So why does the Torah say 2 signs of purity, but really you only need 1? Says the Gemara, the answer is Yagdil Torah v'yadir. Increase Torah, glorify it. What does that mean? Some explain. What does the snapir do? What do the fins do? They allow the fish to advance, to move forward. What does the scale do? The scales protect the body of the fish. Some people just think it's enough to protect what they have. They have their kids. They maintain what the kids have in spirituality. But that's not enough. You have to add another sign of purity. You have to advance. You have to move forward. Not only in Gashmius, not only in materialism do we have to advance and get more and more. In spirituality it works the same. We have to advance. We have to add. We have to move forward. Some may say, I'm a kosher Yid. I have a sign of purity. I do everything right. I keep Shabbos. I try to obey all the laws. It's not enough. Add more signs of purity. Yagdil Torah v'yadir. Increase Torah. Glorify it. How? By increasing signs of purity. Even though you're already pure. Yes, the fish is pure when it has scales. But add another sign of purity. Advance. Keep growing. Go on and on. Because of Yagdil Torah v'yadir. Increase Torah. And glorify it.